everyone, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today we have a free pattern for you. It's called Holloway. It finishes at 60 by 80 and it is great for fabrics that have a big print. And if you're a beginner, this is a great one to start. You'll just want to have kind of a bigger ruler because you're going to cut really big sizes. And because we're using gray, I'm using color 6730 of Aurifil. So let's get started. For this quilt, you just need 16 half yards and binding and backing. So super easy, just find some really big focal prints. The collection we're using today is called Quarry Trails by Anna Graham for Robert Kaufman, and it is a light linen. It's really nice and great modern quilt. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut according to our pattern. We do have a cutting diagram. This is a free pattern you can find at Fat Quarter Shop. For each fabric, you're going to cut 2 10.5-inch squares and 4 5.5-inch squares. You will have a lot left over, so you can do a pieced backing with that if you're interested. So you're going to take your fabrics and lay them out according to your pattern. Your A's are going to go opposite, and you will just follow your diagram. And it's going to kind of look like this. And I've got it going the wrong way. So it just takes a little bit of time placing. And when you're looking at this, you might want all of your pieces to go the same direction. You might not. So that is up to you if you want it to be directional or not. And you'll just place these in. And you can see this also has a direction, so up and down. So it's up to you if you want everything going the same direction or not. You're going to piece these two together with a 1/4-inch seam. And because we have a dark fabric, we're using a gray Aurifil, stitch with a 1/4-inch seam and press. Then you will put that together with this. And that is going to look just like this. Super easy. You're going to do the same thing down here. Stitch, press, and it's going to look like this. And even though you're working with big pieces, using pins is very helpful. You're going to stitch these together, and ta-da, you have this great, wonderful block that measures 15.5 by 20.5. The key to this quilt is taking the placement chart that is on page 4 of your pattern. You can see that fabrics have to go together. So this fabric and block here is this fabric, same thing. The bottom fabric in here is the top fabric here. So what you can do is put a swatch of your fabric on page 4, and that is how you will know how to do each block. So making sure to use page 4 will give you this beautiful look, and you can pick up the quilt kit at Fat Quarter Shop. It would be great to use a design board for your block placement or use your floor for block placement to make sure you've got everything flowing nicely. This fabric, called Quarry Trails, is a little bit heavier, so because of that, if you put a thick batting in, it is going to weigh a lot and be similar to a weighted blanket. Thanks for watching, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time. And make sure to download the free pattern at Fat Quarter Shop. It's called Holloway.